Hello everyone, I just got this in today, the Zoom F3. This will be a good addition to my audio kit for everything I do. I mostly shoot weddings, commercial stuff, some documentary style, some run and gun stuff. So I think this will be a good addition for my kit. I'll show you my kit, my audio kit, everything it fit into this Peak Design tech pouch. All the audio stuff I need is in here. And today I'm using this to record this video. Everything you hear on this video is from here. And it's running through a Diddy shotgun mic right on top of me, right off frame. It's right here, you can see. Okay. So before the Zoom F3, everything I have is in here. Let me go through one by one. This one is a Zoom H1. I had this for a long time. I rarely use it, but it's a really good mini recorder. It's very inexpensive, so if you can pick up one of these, I mostly use this for when at the wedding somebody doing speeches and they holding a microphone, and I just want to get a backup audio of the microphone. So I usually put this on a microphone sleeve, attach this to the microphone, so basically it'd be right here, and then someone speak and we record the audio from there. Sometimes the DJ mixer, sometimes they have weird signal coming in and it's ruining your audio, so this is a good backup. And before the Zoom F3, I have a Zoom F2. This is a Bluetooth model. I used to plug this into a DJ mixer. It's been working fine for me, but it's just a lot of people saying that the signal from the mixer is really strong for this kind of recorder. But I haven't had any issue, but just as for safety, that's why I picked up a Zoom F3. I've been waiting for a float 32-bit recorder with a reasonable price and a small and compact side, because all my gear I try to keep as light and small and compact as possible, because I travel and they say the best gear is the gear that you have with me, and I'm very lazy. If it's my bag is too heavy, too cumbersome, I'm not going to bring it, and if I don't bring it, I don't have the equipment with me that I need. I always in a search for small, lightweight and compact gear. Everything I do is very small. I can fit a whole kit to shoot a wedding in my backpack, and I would do that in another video. But as for now, like you see everything in this bag. For a regular wedding ceremony, or put on the groom, and it can just be on him all day. And then at night, when at the reception, I would take this and I would plug into the DJ mixer with these cable. These is a 3.5 millimeter at one end, and the other end is RCA. This is 3.5 millimeter with 1/4 inch, and this one 3.5 millimeter to an XLR. These are the three cables that I need. Basically, for every DJ mixer, every situation you go, these three cables you can plug into anything. It's possible. The 3.5 millimeter end is going to here, and the other end go out to the mixer. And also, I have two of the Tascam DR10. Usually, this will go into the priest, the officiant, or at the Vietnamese wedding, one for the bride representative, one for the groom representative. In the tea ceremony, I don't know if you guys are familiar with that, but that's what I've been shooting with. So this one go on the groom in the tea ceremony, one will go on the bride representative, one for the groom representative. These are the two main people that do all the speeches, all the talking at the ceremony. So I have audio for those two. And then when it's come to the church, I will put one of these on a podium. At a Vietnamese wedding, there's a podium for people to go up and then do some kind of speeches at the church, and this one go to the priest, and this one stay on the groom. I always stay on the groom. So these three is work. And then when it comes to the reception, I don't need these two anymore. I just use this to plug into the DJ mixer, and sometime if I need it, I will put this on the microphone for speeches. I need to get the cable for this because it's the only thing. This one is using XLR. It's only have two XLR input, and I don't have any cable for this. I just have to get the cable. Basically, it's the same thing, but instead of the 3.5 millimeter, it has to be XLR. That's it. Or also, I have this. Let me put this on the side. This is the Rode Wireless Go 2 with one receiver one receiver and 2 transmitter. Basically, it's the same thing as this, but the only time I use this is when I'm doing same-day edit. I need everything to go out quick. I don't have time to sync the audio, so I will use this. Like again, one go on the grooms, one go on the priest at the church, and then I have this is the wireless go to. So basically, it has one receiver go on the camera. So I plug this in. I will get the audio from both of this, and at the same time, these 2 recorder will record onto the board on here. So I have a backup audio, and then this one, the receiver, goes straight into the camera, so I don't need to do audio sync when I do in same day edit. And then I need a third set because, like I said, I always need 3 set of microphone to go on. I find that most wedding, 3 set of microphone is good enough for me. So this one will go into my second shooter camera, and this one mostly will go into the person that talked the least. So I will figure it out sometime. Maybe this will go on the podium at the church, or at a tea ceremony, I will put into somebody, maybe the bride or the groom representative. As of right now, there's no audio recorder that has 3 transmitter and 1 receiver. So I have to get this one and plug into the second camera. I still have to do a little bit of sync, but it's still a lot less time than you have to sync everything else. So that's why I have 2 set. But again, I only use this if I'm doing like same day edit on a wedding, or run and gun style like video, like documentary, or like YouTube, where people just are talking run and gun style. So this will go onto the talent, and sometimes if he interviews somebody, I will put this on a person right next to it that he's talking to, and both audio will go into the camera. A rope company does make one of these things. If you shoot Asian wedding or Vietnamese wedding, there's a session at the reception that they're doing table greeting. So basically just walk around the table, everybody saying greeting stuff to the bride and the groom. So I need to get the audio from that. So what I do, I just plug this on here and put this, and the receiver will go onto the camera. So basically whoever's talking, I will get the audio from this. And then if I do documentary style, like I want to do YouTube and somebody interview, so I put one of these on the main talent, and the other one will go on here. So if, let's say if he interviews somebody, he just give this to that person, and that person will talk, and I will get the audio from that. Yep, so that's the kit. And right now, this is the new addition to my kit. I can't wait to try it. The Zoom F3, I heard very good thing about it, very good review on YouTube. The price is $349. And I think later on there's a Bluetooth module that you can control with the phone through an app. Before I used to have the rope app for this. This one is the Bluetooth model, so I basically can hit stop and record from my phone, so I don't have to run around and run back and forth and hit on and off for this. And I think they're gonna use the same app for the Zoom F3. And this little microphone, I use it just to sometime if I'm on a gimbal and I need to get plug this into my camera so I can get the scratch audio, so it's easy for me to sync. I always trying to get the best audio as possible, because when you have the best audio, it's very easy for you to sync in post. If you need to sync, if your audio is not good and you have to sit there and do manual sync, and it's waste a lot of time. So I always plug this onto my camera on the gimbal. It's very small and lightweight, but it's pick up good audio. If you run in an emergency, you can use this for your audio. Just have to do a lot of put a lot of work on the audio, but it still works. At least it's another backup for me. So that's it. That's all the stuff for my audio. And again, thank you. I'm trying to do more of this video on my YouTube channel. It's NK0599. I just finally able to change my YouTube channel because I hit the limit 100 subscriber, and I had reach a certain amount of view, so they allow me to change my YouTube name. Before, you just have a generic numbers on your YouTube channel, so it's really hard for people to find, but finally I just get that. So from now on I will start making more videos on my YouTube channel, so go subscribe. Thank you.